how to transfer funds from Bybit to Bybit. So funds, it could be any kind of crypto, USDT, Bitcoin, Ton, any kind of crypto that define the funds. Now, after that, what you need to do, make sure to log into your account on Bybit, and after that, in the bottom right corner, tap on Assets. Now tap on Withdraw. So as you can see here, you will be able to find a different kind of cryptos you can see here. So select one of these cryptos that you want to transfer to. As you can see, for example, baby touch. So after that, what you need to do, you can tap on internal transfer because you want to transfer to another Bybit account. So if you have the email of that Bybit account, you can provide it here. And if you have the mobile number of that Bybit account, you can provide it here too, as you can see. And if you have the UID of that Bybit account, you can provide it here too. After you provide the information of that Bybit account that you want to transfer that funds to, you can type the amount of that token that you want to transfer. And after that, you can tap on withdraw and you will be able to transfer funds from Bybit to Bybit. So this is how to transfer funds from Bybit to Bybit. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.